So far we have discussed binary addition and binary subtraction. So in the binary addition, if you add the 0 plus 0, the sum is 0, carry is 0. If you add the 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0, we are getting the 0. The sum is 1 and carry is 0. If we add the 1 plus 1, if we add the 1 plus 1, the sum is 0, the carry is 1. Okay, so it's binary multiplication. So binary multiplication. Okay, so in binary multiplication, 0 into 0, then product is 0. So 0 is multiplied by 0 itself, then we get 0. Then 1 into 0 or 0 into 1, what we get? 0. So 1 into 1, the product is 1. Okay. So let us see how the two binary numbers is going to be multiplied each other. Let us take one example. 1 0 1 0, which is going to be multiplied by 1 0 1. Okay, magnify this binary number. So 1 into 2 cube plus 0 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power of 1 plus, take more space, it is easy to understand. 0 into 2 power of 2 square plus 1 into 2 power of 1 plus 0 into 2 power of 0. Okay, so which is going to be multiplied by 1 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 power of 1 . So 1 into 2 power of 0. Okay, so we can magnify the first binary number like this and second number like this. Okay, so first of all, take the columns for better understanding. So draw the columns to understand better. So how do you multiply 0 into 1? We have to do multiplication. We have to do multiplication. So how do we do this? So first of all, so 0 into 2 power of 0. Okay, which is multiplied by 2 1 into 2 power of 0, which is equal to 0 into 1, which is equal to 0, means 0 into 2 power of 0. So okay, so we are getting 0 into 2 power of 0, right? Next, we should multiply 1 into 2 power of 1 into 1 into 2 power of 0, which is equal to 1 into 2 power of 1. So 1 into 2 power of 1 is 1 into 2 power of 1 into multiplied by, which is going to be 1, which is equal to 1 into 2 power of 1. Okay, so here then next one is 1 into 2 power of 2. Next, we have to multiply 0 into 2 square, 1 into 2. So if we see this thing, 0 into 1, 0 into this 2 square. So what we get? 0. 0 into 2 square. Here 2 into 2 power of 0. 2 into 2 power of 0 means the bases are same, add the powers. So if we add this thing, so 1 into 2 cube multiplied by 1 into 2 power 0. 1 into 1, 1 into 2 cube. So answer is 1 into 2 cube. Okay. Now we have to multiply 0. We have to multiply this number by 0. We have to multiply this whole binary number by 0 digit. So again same thing. So 0 into 2 power of 0, 0 into 2 power 0 is multiplied by 0 into 2 power of 1. So 0 into 0, which is equal to 0. 0 into 0, which is going to be 0. 0, 2 power of 0 into 2 power of 1, which is going to be 2 power 1. If we see the result of the two multiplication numbers, so the 2 power 0 is not appearing in the result. So what the answer? So we have to neglect this space. We have to neglect this space. Then write that 0 into 2 power 1 in this column. So 0 into 2 power of 1. Again, so 0 into 2 power of 1. 0 into 2 power of 1 is multiplied by 1 into 2 power of 1, which is equal to 0 into 1. 0 into 1 is 1. 0 into 1, sorry. 0 into 1 is 0. Okay. 2 power of 1 into 2 power of 1, which is going to be 2 square. So we have to write that 0 into 2 square in this column. So write 0 into 2 square. Okay. So follow the procedure and write yourself. So then we have to multiply 0 in this thing. So 0 into 2 square into 0 into 2 power of 1, which is going to be 0 into 2 cube. So this 0 into 2 cube we should written in this column. So 0 into 2 cube. 0 into 2 cube. Okay. So next one is 0 into 2 power of 1 into multiplied by 0 into 2 power of 1 is multiplied by 1 into 2 cube, which is going to be 0 into, so 0 is multiplied by 1, the product is 0. So 2 power of 4. 2 into 2 power of 4. Okay. So the last one is multiplied, this number is multiplied by 1. So 1 into 2 square, 1 into 2 square is multiplied by 0 into 2 power of 1. Sorry. 0 is 1 into 2 square is multiplied by 0 into 2 power of 0. So what we get? 1 into 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 2 square. So if we see the result, so 2 power of 1 is not appearing, the 2 power of 1 is not existing. So neglect the 2 spaces. Okay. So write the 0 into 2 square. So again we have to multiply 1 into 2 square into 1 into 2 power of 1. What you get? So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 cube. So 1 into 2 cube. Again 1 into 0 is 0, 2 power of 4. So 0 into 2 power of 4. 1 into 1, 2 power of 5. So 1 into 2 power of 5. Okay. Add the numbers. So what you get? 0 into 2 power of 0. Okay. 0 into 2 power of 0. 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 into 2 power of 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 into 2 square. 1 plus 1. If we add the two binary numbers, what I said, what I am explained. So 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and carry is 1, then 1. So 1 into 2 power of 4. So the carry is 0, so 1 into 2 power of 5. So neglect all the weighted terms and write only the 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. 1 1 0 0 1 0. So if we you can cross check your result by doing the multiplication of the two binary numbers. This is going to be 10, this is going to be 5. If you multiply 10 into 5, you should get the 50, and your result should be 50. So that this is your homework. Cross check whether my answer is right or wrong. Okay, this is how we do the multiplication of the two binary numbers. Okay, I hope you understand how to do the binary multiplication. Let's move on. I will give one homework problem. Do it in your home. See. So no need to do this all the procedure. So I'm explaining how this binary addition and binary subtraction and binary multiplication is going to be happen. So this is how it is happening. So first you have to think we have to solve it in simple method. No need to do all the procedure in the exam. Okay. So if you want to add the two numbers, how do you add? Let us take 101 plus 11. Okay. So 1 plus 1. You have to remember the 1 plus 1 is not equal to 2. So because the 2 is not existing in the binary number system. So 1 plus 1 is, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. So again 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. So your answer is 100. Okay. So if you want to subtract 101 minus 11, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 is we can't minus 1 is not a binary number. We have to take the borrow from the next digit. So we have to take the 2. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 0. This is your answer. Okay. So again if you want to do the multiplication, how do you do? 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Leave the space. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Add all the numbers. 1, 0, 1, 1. This is your answer. So you can simply calculate addition of two binary numbers, subtraction of two binary numbers, multiplication of two binary numbers, like this. So no need to do all the procedure what I am explaining now. So why I am explaining it? It was to understand better. So I will give one homework problem in the binary multiplication. Just do it in home. One zero is multiplied by 1. Okay, and this is first one. This is second one. 1101 is multiplied. So anything. So this is it. These two things are your homework problems. So do it in home. So last topic is binary division. Let me check my video is recording or not. Yes, my video is recording. So binary division. So far we have discussed binary addition, binary subtraction and binary multiplication. Our last topic is the binary division of today's lecture. So how do we divide the 8, 1 to 8? Okay. First we see the first digit. See here 1 is less than 8. So 0, 0. Okay. 0 into 0, then remainder is 0 into 8 is 0, the remainder is 0. So subtract 1, 0. So 1. Again 1 is less than 8. So bring down the 2. Now 12 is greater than 8. How many times it will do? So 8 into 1. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. Okay. Do the subtraction. What you get? 4. Bring down 8. So how many times the 8 will be divided? 6 times. So remainder is 0. So how this is the way we do the division, right? In this way we do the division. In this way we do the division. So how the two binary numbers is going to be divided? So let us see the binary division. So how 110 is going to be divided? 1 0 1 0 1 0. First check the 101. 101 is less than 110. So 0 0. If we do minus, we get 1. Bring down 0. Again 10 is less than 110. 10 is less than 110. Then again 0. What you get? 10. Bring down 1. Okay. So if you see 101, which one is equal? 101 means 5. 110 means 2 square plus 2 is 6. So 5 is less than 6. So again it's not possible. I forgot to write the 101, then bring down the 0. Now 1010 is greater than 101. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. So first of all, 110 is dividing the this binary number 101010. First check 1 is so 1 is less than 110. Okay, the first the MSB is less than 110. So 0 into 110, which is gives the 0. So again take the 0 here, subtract the 1 from 0. Okay, so 10, bring down 1 here, that this process will goes down. Okay, so now the 1010 is greater than 1010 is greater than 110. So take one multiplication. So 110. Do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have to take 1 again. 0. So bring down 1. So here 100 is 4. 101 is 5. So here 5 is greater than 4. So we have to bring 1 here. Have to bring 1 here and do the multiplication. Then what we get? So again 1 times here 1001 is greater than 110. Let me rewrite the same problem because we don't have a space. That's why I am erasing the. So binary division. So how do we divide the binary number? How we divide one binary number by another binary number? Let us start this binary number with one example. Okay. One 110 is going to be divided by 101010. There is no spaces between the two binary numbers. Okay. How this binary number is going to be divided? 101010. So let us see. Okay. 1 is here first check. 1 is less than 110. 1 is less than 110. So write 0 here, 0. So 1 minus 0. 110 is multiplied by 0, then we get 0, right? So 1 minus 0 is 0. Is 1 minus 0 is 1, right? So again this one is less than 110. So bring down the 0 here. You get 0. Again, still we have the 10 is less than 110. Still 10 is less than 110. You can check the 110 is a digit is 2 is less than 6, right? 110 in binary decimal number is 6. Still 10 is less than 0. So what you do? You get 0, bring down 1 here. So 101 still 101 is it's less than 110. So 101 means 5 is less than 6. 101 is less than 5 is less than 110. So still it is 0. Okay, bring down. So 101, what we get? 101, bring down 0 here, bring down the 0 here. So now 1010 is greater than 110, right? So multiply by 110. If we do the subtraction from the first to the binary number, what we get? 0, 1 minus 1, 0. We have 0 minus 1. We can't do subtraction from the 0 from minus 1, right? So what we have to do? We have to do the borrow from the next digit. We have to take the borrow from the next digit. So take the 1 from the next digit. Then what you get? Here you get the 2. Right? So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 101 means 4. 110 is 6. So 100. So 100 is 4. Right? So this 4 still 100 is less than 6. So bring down 1 here. Now 1001 is greater than 110. It is going to multiply by 1. 110. So if we do subtraction, 1 minus 0, 1. Okay. So 0 minus 1, the subtraction cannot be possible. So what we have to do is you have to take the borrow from the next digit. If you see that from the next digit you don't have a borrow, so go for another digit. If you have to take the borrow from here. So if you take the borrow from here, you get 2, right? You get 2, right? Take 2 from here, so you get 2 here. So what you get? 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Again 0. Okay. Now 11. So 11 is less than 110. So bring down 0. So it is multiplied by 1. So minus 110, which is going to be 0. So this is our answer. You can cross check by so I am repeating it again. So our job is to divide the two binary numbers. So given the binary number is 10100 and the other is 101010. So we have to divide this binary number by the 100. So how to do the binary division? Let us see. Okay. So first we have to see that the 1 is less than 110. So in the coefficient put 0. So 0 into 110 is 0. Okay. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring down the 0 here. Then you get 10. So binary number 10 is less than still 110 is less than 110. So bring down 1 here. So that's why we are multiplying with 0. So we get 0. Still bring down 1 here. Still 101 is less than 110. So you come here, bring down 0, multiply by 0. So now 1010 is greater than the binary number 110. So you multiply 110 by 1 time. So then 110. Subtract this binary number from this binary number. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1. Minus 1 is not exist in the binary number system. So take the borrow from the next digit. So if you take the borrow from the next digit, the borrow will be 2. The 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. So take 1 here, take 1 from here, then 1001, which is greater than the 110. Then multiply by 1 here, 110. Then you get do the subtraction, binary subtraction. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 1, it's not possible. So take the borrow from the next digits. Take the borrow from the next digit. So what do you do? So if you do the borrow from the next digit, take the borrow from the next digit. It is going to be 2. So take the 2 from here. 2, then this is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is 0. Okay. Take the 0 here. Then it is multiplied by this number. This binary number is multiplied by 1. So 1 minus 1, 1, 0. If you do the subtraction, binary subtraction, then you get 0. I hope you guys understand the binary addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division also. So see you in next video. Thank you.